Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to a new video on Chainlink. I did a video on this yesterday, also explaining the news and the move a little bit. But in this video, we'll do an update. Yesterday, we were very bullish, of course. I mean, we had that move of about 22% up, I think. Yeah, 22, 23%. Very bullish, amazing news. If you don't know what the news was about, it's amazing news for crypto. So check out that previous video I made on it yesterday. If you want to learn more about that. In this video, we'll zoom in a little bit more on the technical side of things, because the technicals are actually very interesting as well, I would say. I actually do expect some bullish momentum still to come. So that's what we'll talk about. Now, before we talk about that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, also on Chainlink, yesterday I actually did send a signal, but I won't tell you what. And if you want to receive that, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comments, and there you will find instructions on how to join. Now, there's quite a lot we need to say about Chainlink, all right? Because first of all, the news was amazing. If we look at this move, it's a bit shady. Like in a matter of 5 minutes, $750 million of Chainlink was bought. You can also see it here on the chart. It looks a little bit different. I'm actually not sure if CoinMarketCap is correct on this one, because on the chart you can actually see that it was more gradual. So I'm not sure who to believe. I think Binance, or at least this chart, is to believe better. And I think there was some sort of lag in between right here, because it's almost impossible to gain that much volume in such a short period of time, and it would 100% also have caused a bigger move up. Even though we did get a big move up, but it would have caused like a 100% move if $750 million is bought at one point of time. So, all right, but what happened is that caused us to get a bullish breakout above this level right here. I would say around $8. Historically, the main level has been between 7.95 and 8.2 and 8.15 kind of, as you can see right here. 8.12, 8.15, that area. So historically, always if we've broken above that, usually we have rallied higher. And right now what we're seeing is that we are respecting our support levels, especially around $8, quite well, I would say. So I do still expect a move up towards our next price target. So first of all, 8.8, and then second of all, 9.5. So there are two reasons for why I expect that. First reason is that we still have some support, like I would expect us to drop down to 7.88 still, where we have that 382 FIB. And we have also, I mean, when we broke above this, it was 10 o'clock yesterday, at least in my time zone, when Bitcoin was still very bullish, and then Bitcoin actually pulled back heavily, and Link was still able to hold this level, which is amazing. The volume is also, I mean, the volume is stalling a little bit right now, but it's still very, very high. So there's still momentum in the price. And apart from that, I do expect some bullish momentum to kick in from Bitcoin. So that formula together actually makes me believe that we can at least spike up towards that area around 8.8. Perhaps that's the price target. Perhaps we cannot get higher than 9.4. It depends a little bit on what Bitcoin does. Unfortunately, like the correlation still in the markets is that high. But I think 8.78, 8.8 is to be expected, and then 9.4 is a little bit of a wild card. Like the last time we hit that was November 2022, when we also had quite a lot of good news for Chainlink. So it's a possibility, but it's going to be hard. I mean, I would say 8.8 is the best price target to aim for here. But I'll keep you updated on that. I mean, if you're interested in more updates, technical updates, news updates on Chainlink, let me know down in the description. But for now, this is my take on it. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.